I'm hunting today. Not sure what I'll find. Hoping to bag some nice deers. What's that over there? What in God's tarnation? Looks like a Bigfoot of some sort. Trying to get closer. Hey, got a clear shot of him. Well, I was looking for some deer, but I had to settle for a big feet. I think I missed. Oh no, here he comes. Gotta reload. Come here, you dirty old Bigfoot. Come on. Gotta reload. This big feet's strong blood. Eat wet, big feet. Reloading. This big feet, he ain't gonna go down easy. I can take him on. He's scratching me up pretty good. Bigfoot, we're going down. I bagged me a big feet.